Cam's DIY. I am so glad that you are back. Today I'm going to basically do this floor. I'm going to show y'all a couple shots where y'all can see that this floor is almost complete. I'll give it a good 65-70%. I haven't been on here lately, but I have been doing a lot on IIC podcast. That's been most of my content. I haven't forgot about this. This basement right here, I'm turning into a studio. So y'all going to see me do this piece of the flooring. It was at this very moment that I realized that this project may be a little difficult for me to complete. However, I'm dedicated because I'm ready for IIC podcast to have its final studio. So y'all stay tuned for that. Let's go. project that I'm doing right now. It's a little tedious, it does take a little time, but I'm gonna try to get through it as fast as possible and then show you guys the finished product, and then I'm gonna hit this drywall, okay? So I am knocking stuff down, and in return I'm putting stuff back up. And you guys get to witness me do that on this property, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, I'll be back. Thanks for watching my DIY project. Next, make sure you guys check out IIC Podcast and subscribe so you can get the latest notifications on the next podcast that's coming up. See you soon.